When it comes to buying laptops, most tech consumers today prefer the MacBook Pro. These systems not only highlight future design and smoothness, but also bring many benefits. If you want to know about the Apple M1 MacBook Pro, then you are in the right place. And welcome to New Tech. Mac OS is easier to use than Windows or Linux, making Apple products the ideal portable computer. Its streamlined user interface allows users to perform tasks efficiently and smoothly. Apple products also own distinctive styles. Their beauty is astounding and is only rivaled by their unbeatable and extravagant technical features and updates. Apple laptops bring exceptional performance in most lightweight and slim notebooks ever, with the new generation Intel Core processors, full-size keyboards, sensing trackpads, and long battery life. These programs compactly incorporate great thinking. So today, we will be counting down 5 Apple M1 MacBook Pro features you can be excited about. Today, we have some awesome updates about technology for you, but make sure you're subscribed to our channel for more in the future. And don't forget to click that bell icon to be the first to know when our new videos go up. Let's begin with the 5 Apple M1 MacBook Pro features you can be excited about. Looking for a laptop that lasts a long time? Apple M1 MacBook Pro is the right way to go. The Apple M1 MacBook Pro models are the most powerful systems that can achieve just about anything digital. Launched in 2006, the M1 MacBook Pro line of Apple laptops has now taken the tech market by storm. Apple M1 MacBook Pro laptops employ modern technology that has made this portable computer a compelling distance. So let's discuss some of its eye-catching features. Number 1. Truly futuristic, stunning visuals. The 5th generation Apple M1 MacBook Pro Intel 10th generation models come in 2 different sizes. The 13-inch model released recently in May 2020 and the 16th-inch bezeled model, smaller than before, released in early November 2019. The 13-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pro have excellent visuals because of the magnificent Retina display with T-True technology. It has a backlit screen with LED and uses IPS technology and P3 wider color gambit. MacBook Pro 2021 laptops leave behind all other computers at the same price level, as they do not support millions of colors. 13-inch models also play 2560 by 1600 screen resolution of 227 pixels per inch. Mac OS supports 1650 by 1080 standard resolutions on 13-inch models. And on 16-inch models, it supports 2048 1280 standard resolution. The 16-inch Retina display has a traditional resolution of 3072 by 1920. Watching movies is a spectacle on these Apple laptops and gives users an immersive cinema experience. Nothing can be compared to watching a screen appear in color every second, smoothly changing scene by scene. For those who live within the Apple app, a significant change comes using iPhone and iPad apps on your laptops with a desktop viewing experience. These apps primarily support mouse and trackpad controls, and reusable windows and the menus bar, of course. Number 2. Featherlight body and colors available. The more recent versions of the Apple M1 MacBook Pro 2021 are much smaller and lighter. Their aluminum body allows them to be extremely light-weighted while performing strenuous tasks faster and powerfully. It is a notebook designed for daily work, so it's easy to carry everywhere. This laptop has everything you need, as well as a grand and graceful design language. Its elegant framework makes it the most popular for laptop users worldwide. You can easily carry it to work or school, even in a restaurant to enjoy music or a movie during your leisure time. With its battery life all day, Mac Pro is the perfect portable computer for you every day. Luckily for you, these latest models of 13-inch and 12-inch MI MacBook Pros are ready to be yours as you want. There are a wide variety of Apple laptop models available at excellent prices. Number 3. The new Magic Keyboard. The new 10th generation Apple M1 MacBook Pro 2021 has released the problematic butterfly keyboard and replaced it with a newly designed version of the traditional keyboard design, called Magic Keyboard. Just like its name, the Magic Keyboard is fast enough to work magically. It offers 1 mm, which is much higher than its predecessor, allowing the user to type and make other keyboard uses faster. These new additions to M1 MacBook laptops make it all more quickly than ever before. The Magic Keyboard has made it an incredibly smooth and fun experience. It works well and saves time if you are short on time while delivering homework or office-related work. These powerful MacBook models also include a portable escape key, which allows for quick switching between modes and views. The arrow keys, shaped neatly T-shaped, help you slide quickly into code lines, documents, and spreadsheets, and also play games skillfully. Number 4. The revolutionary Touch Bar and Touch ID. All Apple M1 MacBook Pro laptops have a Touch Bar interface at the top, located above the keyboard. It is a multi-touch OLED piece that replaces the function buttons and allows the user to choose a shortcut at any time. The buttons and controls available on the Touch Bar touchscreen change depending on the software you use. This Touch Bar is significantly the most potent version introduced by Apple. Not only does it give a better view of the future to a laptop, but it also is a great addition to the app. The M1 MacBook Pro also has a separate Touch ID, a sapphire-covered sensor at the Touch Bar's right end. It offers speedy authentication and doubles as a power button. The Force Touch trackpad is also located at the bottom, allowing the user to control the cursor directly. It is a pressure sensor that can sense multi-touch sensors and enables cursor clicks when the user applies low pressure. This safety feature allows biometric support, allowing secure authentication on the new MacBook Air that you can use with nothing but your fingers. Touch ID incorporates secure M1 chip access to allow additional security keys used for one-touch purchases using Apple Pay technology on supported websites. Number 5. Remarkable storage capacity. Apple's mind-blowing technology also has Marvel's ultimate power. The 13-inch M1 MacBook Pro comes with 256GB storage that can upgrade up to 4 TB. It has a fantastic feature as it can allow the user to store as many videos, files, and games as they want without worrying about storage capacity. However, if anyone uses more power and your work requires more storage space, you have the option to choose a 16-inch MacBook Pro, which starts from 512GB of storage and can be upgraded to 8 TB of enormous size. M1 MacBook Pro laptops are best to buy for a Mac user demanding and needing more processing power than the average user. Be it for work, gambling, or any other activity, with an Apple laptop, everyday work, computer-related tasks become much easier to perform. These were the 5 Apple M1 MacBook Pro features you can be excited about. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you can join the new tech squad and be a part of the channel. Thanks for watching!